Now I'm going to come up and I'm going to make a brace for this up on top. So I need this to be able to hold a little bit tighter up on top, otherwise these trusses are just going to fall apart. So I'm going to start out by new, create part in context, just like we've been doing. So we're making a part. The origin is going to be the origin on the whole thing again. Green check. Got my grayed out areas, and I'm ready to go. I'm going to make a sketch on the top surface. I'm going to draw my rectangle inside to inside. If I can't grab an inside there, just going to have to project again. So I'll project that surface. And I got this surface projected already. Now I can do a rectangle. Inside to inside. And then I'm going to do a midway brace. And then I'm going to brace it in an X. Just to kind of give it some lateral stability. And again, this is up to you what you want all this to look like. Could be a K-truss, could be a reverse K-truss. That's all up to you. That's the fun part of doing this. Go down to beam. I want this beam to come inside, and I want this beam to go down so that it's at the top level. Profile sketch. You know how we do this. 1/8 inch equals a foot, or 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch. And I'm going to click and see what I can do with this beam, if this beam is going to go in the right spot. Not going to go in the right spot, so I'm just going to close out of it. Hit the green check mark. So I got one beam in there. Go to beam again. Click here. Pull it inside, pull it down. Change that profile. 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch. Same process. I'm going to go beam in the center. This one here, I just want to go down so it's level. I want to keep it right in the center though. Profile, beam. Same process over and over again. Now we're going to go beam again. Bring that down. I might as well bring this one down as well while I'm right there. And we're going to keep those in the center. Custom profile. Green check. I forgot to trim. Got to do my trimming. No big deal. Double click on beam 4. Trim. There. 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 And I know it's kind of hard to see, kind of follow. You're going to be able to follow much better when you're actually doing it on your own, which surfaces you're trimming by. But I'm just making sure to trim by all these surfaces coming around. And it's given me a problem with parts to trim, so green check. Now it's got all those corners all trimmed up nice. And this is what you're seeing here where I'm trying to fight these surfaces. That's what's happening when on that first original sketch here, I didn't turn them to construction lines. So if I select everything and turn it into construction lines, it's going to help me out. So now I don't have all those funky surfaces in there. So we're almost done. Got to get this other Z going on here. So I'm going to do my beam. Click there, click there. And of course, we're going to bring it down to the top surface. Go to Custom, Profile. Got it there. We're going to go to Trim. And now I can select these faces a little bit easier. And trimming takes a little bit, but it ends up finishing out nice. Green check. Now those are all trimmed. I missed one, I see. Trim. I gotta go here and here, yeah. Now we got all those trimmed out nice. And I got those set up where I need to set them up. And we got our top brace done.